Better Movies Industries Limited. Una too much. My people, go see movie. We pass movie. Now these people, when they get all this story now, it could be like say that when I get a movie industry, better una too much. Better Movies Industries Limited. Hey, this one now gongwa come see where wife. Don't enslave husband. Don't support you automatically. Hey, what you can
Madam.
Yes, God forbid, make I no go marry wife. Take off saying get money, he go match for my head. They work at the talk. They even they do business where visa no support them. Hey, cause you to be turn to house. Hey, my God, better movies. Now make people come watch this movie because if you watch them, you go tell yourself the truth. Say, bad wife is no good. Bad wife is no good, but the husband then call you work on go and slave yourself instead of money. Now what will be your problem? Better industries. If you watch it finish, you go laugh, you go see tears of joy. They come out for your eyes. You go laugh, you they cry. Hey, my people, cause he was small boy. They go play big man play. Go. Hey, now what do you see for that place now? Shut up. Don't talk. Hey, my people, okay? Cause he wears small bikini. They accuse him master well in the staff. Say he go do my people make a no talk because if I talk everything where my eyes see for this movie, people, hey, make una go take una eye. Chop Christmas for this sarcastic and fantastic movie. Hey, Ogunwa, but when I the thing where my eyes see for this movie, I'm not gonna talk and finish show because distributed and marketed nationwide by Better Movies Industries Limited. Number G2857, New Electronics Market, Onitsha, Anambra State. Telephone 080-343-93280 or 081-81-870-411. Better Movies Industries Limited. Una too much. Now Francis Money they produce them. Emeka Nwosu con director.